Business Debt, Chapter 7. This is one of my favorites because there's no means test and no budget analysis. You can make as much as you want and they can't throw you into another chapter. This is for the people who are in business. Let's take a couple of examples. Maybe you're an investor in real estate and a realtor. So you have a steady job as a realtor and you make good money, but you've invested or speculated in many properties. And the economy turns down and you lost 3 or 4 properties. And now you have judgments against you of $400,000, $500,000, or $600,000. While you make good money and you have disposable income after your normal living expenses, in a consumer debt, Chapter 7, you would not be allowed to stay there. But in a business debt, you are allowed to stay there because most of your debt comes from a business. 51% of your debt is business related. You are a business debt, Chapter 7. And I've used this many times and it is just absolutely wonderful. You still have to comply with the asset tests. If you have too much in the way of assets, you're going to lose something, or you have to find some way of paying the trustee for the right to keep those. That's where investing is important. If you have money in a 401k, an annuity contract, or a whole life insurance, you can borrow against it to pay the trustee what you have to pay. For example, you have $12,000 beyond the $6,000 I told you earlier you were allowed to keep in the state of Florida. Well, how do you pay? You borrow against your 401k because the trustee can't touch the 401k. You pay the trustee the $12,000 and you discharge this hypothetical $400,000, $500,000, or $600,000 of judgments against you for bad investments. You also have an increase in preferential transfers. The preferential transfer was, remember where I told you you paid mom back that $2,000? Well, in a consumer debt case, the limit is $600. Anything over $600, the trustee goes after. In a business debt case, anything over $6,500, the trustee goes after. So if you have to pay mom back $2,000, the trustee can't go after mom. That's enough about Business Debt, Chapter 7.